The first part of the project that we see is the process paper. It's a telling of how the project was done. The process paper has two major parts, the description and the bibliography. The description is your opportunity to tell your observer why your project is something worth looking at. The bibliography is how you tell your observer where you found your information. The bibliography can be a bit particular, but there's an easy way of getting them done, and you can watch another video for some help. For the description, there are 4 basic questions which are answered. 1. Why did you pick the topic? 2. How did you research the topic? 3. Why did you do this particular type of project and how did you put it together? 4. How does the topic fit the theme, or why is the topic significant? Let's look at the first question. Why did you pick the topic? Some students have tried to describe their brainstorming session and how the topic popped in the head. That's not what this section is about. Rather, this question is to say why the topic is significant to you. Did you pick the topic because you know a relative who was involved in the event? Or perhaps you've been affected by the event somehow. What interest have you had in the topic, or what is fascinating about the period of history? Question number 2, how did you conduct your research? For this question, you do not need to tell your observer you went to Google. Everyone goes to Google. Did you have problems finding the information? Perhaps there were certain things you had to specifically search for to find effective results. Another part of this question should address where a lot of information came from. Describe it in a couple of sentences. What sources were your best? Or perhaps had some unique pieces of information. Perhaps there was a good interview on YouTube, or you did your own interview of someone who was there. The third question is, why this type of project, and how did you put the project together? Was there something about how the project would be put together that appealed to you? As far as putting it together, when you first write the process paper, you'll probably be writing in future tense. That's okay for the rough draft. Write your idea of what you're going to do. When it comes to the final draft, just go back and change it to the past tense. The reason this question is included is to understand what the student did for the project. It is important that students do most of the work assembling the project. If students get help, it should be limited, but tell us how it went together, perhaps how certain parts or artifacts were obtained. The fourth question should have been the first one you considered. How does your topic apply to the theme? Your topic might be obvious, or there might have been a stretch to include your topic in the theme. This is where you need to present your reason why your topic is important enough for people to stop and take a good look at your project. Remember that the process paper, which includes the description section and described in this video, and the bibliography described in a different video, are all to be double-spaced. This concludes the video describing the description. Thank you.